Recarburizer is mainly used in the process of steelmaking. Especially under the high temperature and oxidation in the smelting stage, part of the carbon element will be burned, resulting in a decrease in the carbon content in the molten iron or steel. The recarburizer can compensate for this part of the burned carbon to ensure that the carbon content in the molten iron or steel reaches the predetermined requirements. At the same time, it can also reduce production costs and improve iron casting efficiency. Jianjie Recarburizer binder is suitable for raw materials such as graphite powder, carbon powder, anthracite powder, petroleum coke powder, etc. The product has characteristic of low dosage, good effect, low cost, will not increase ash content, and will not corrode the roller during the production process. 1 ton of binder can produce 66 tons to 84 tons of recarburizer briquettes. If you want to know more information, please contact us.